Let's now begin with accents, pops, and locks, where we're going to be isolating different body parts in a sharp manner. Let's begin. Feet below the hips, knees extremely bent, pelvis relaxed, rib cage lifted, shoulders up and back, and arms at a low level. Let's start by contracting deep within the abdomen, in and out. We're going to pull from the lower abdomen, tucking under and release. Your pelvis is slightly tilting. It's tilting under and releasing neutral. Tuck and release. Good. Tuck and release. Now in the beginning, this can be very challenging. Keep focusing on the lower abdomen. You can imagine somebody's punching you in the lower gut. Try it. Tucking under and release. Good. Up and down. Now your glutes are relaxed, so we're not squeezing from the back. We are pulling from the front, in and release. It's very small and very precise. It's tuck and release. Good. Now we're going to focus on an in. We're going to tuck and in. Good. Pull it in. Good. Tuck and tuck. Pull it deep. Very small. Good. Chest up. Arms for balance. Breathing in and in. Good. Under. Good. Tuck. Give me 5 and 6. Now listen, you're going to hold it here. Breathe. Now out. Out. We're going to reverse it, and we're now going to punch down to the floor. Down. Release. Tuck in, release. Pull in, release. Good. Neutral. Be careful of hyperextending the lower back. I don't want to see you arching too much. It's very small. Keep the pelvis below the rib cage. This is a nice little measurement. Pelvis below the rib cage and only the lower body. Okay, moving. Good, and punch the floor. Punch. Good. 5, 6. Let's try this one a little faster. Let's go. And down, 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 down. Punch the floor. Good. Very small, very precise. Breathing. Good. And 5 and 6. Good. And 7. Last time. And release. Good. Take a deep breath up. Exhale. Nice. Let's go up into the rib cage. Feet below hips, knees bent. Pelvis now is tucked under, lifting the chest up, shoulders back, and I want you to relax the hands on the thighs. Imagine a string attached to your sternum. Stretch and release. This is very similar to when we did those circles. Stretch and release. You're going to push your rib cage forward. You're going to push and relax neutral. Be careful not to sink in. I only want to see your chest reaching outward, coming back to neutral position. Good. Keep it going. And push and release. Your shoulders are relaxed. We don't want to move the shoulders or the arms. Okay, this is not a true isolation. Squeeze the muscles in the back and release. Squeeze. Imagine you have an itch. Itch your back and release. Itch and release. Good. And 5, 6. Now we're going to focus on the up. We're going to add an accent. Pop and up. Good. Pop. This is a sharper movement. Good. We call this a rib cage pop. Good. Up, up. Good. Up. Last time. Give me 5 and 6. Now you're going to hold it up. Freeze. Now you're going to come in and in. Lift, drop. Up, down. Lift, release. Up, snip. Up. Cut the string. Good. Keep going. Lock. Here we have our chest lock or rib cage lock. This is a downward contraction. Good. Remember the feet below hips. Knees are soft. Pelvis tucked under. Remember your tree. Okay. Feet into the ground. Drop. Drop. Now we're going to try this one a little faster. Let's go. Drop, 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 drop. Good. Relax. Very small. And 5. Good. And 6. Good. And 5, keep going. 6. Last time and release. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, nice. Let's go to the shoulders now. In our same position, feet below hips, knees bent, tucked under, lifted and rolled. Go ahead and give me the beach ball shape, holding a big beach ball. The elbows are up. Release the beach ball, arms into a V and relax down. Be careful of pointing the elbows to the floor. We call this chicken wings. It doesn't look very pretty. So lengthen those arms, lengthen the fingers, and relax. Shoulders, I want one forward, one back. One forward, one back. Now your shoulders are connected, so one goes forward and one goes back. All right, we're only moving the shoulders, so we want to focus. Just my shoulder, just my shoulder. Good. 1 and 2. Good. 1 and 2. Last 5 and 6. Good. Let's try it a little faster. And right, left, good. We call this shoulder isolations or shoulder pops. Good. Breathing with it. Only your shoulders. No hips in the mix, only your shoulders. Good. Last 5 and 6. Now only the right shoulder. Give me right and right and right. Now the left. Give me left, left. Good. Back to alternating right and left and right, left, right, left. Nice. Now we're going to speed this up in a moment. So right now I want you to soften up the posture. I want you to soften up the shoulders, and I want you to start going a little faster. Try it with me. Speed it up, even faster. Keep going all the way. Good. We call this a shoulder shimmy. I want you to release your shoulders, release the rib cage. Arms are long, hands are in place. Be careful of moving the arms, only the shoulders. Good. Last 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Let's finish now. We're going to go down into the hips for hip accents or hip isolations. Feet about hip width apart, knees bent. They are plied. Pelvis tucked under, rib cage lifted, shoulders back, and again, beach ball arms out and relax down. First, we're going to start by pushing the hip to the right and the left. I want you to shift your weight in your lower body. To the side and to the side. Good. Very nice. Now I want you to add a glute contraction. We're going to squeeze our glutes. Okay, right and left. So you're going to squeeze your glute. Squeeze. This is going to cause a snap or an accent or a thrust of the hip. Good. Squeeze. Good. Right and left. Good. Imagine you went grocery shopping and you're carrying a whole bunch of groceries and you have to shut the car door with your hip. So you're going to really get low. You're going to bend into it and bump and bump. Now your feet are flat, girls. Knees are bent. The feet do not come off the floor. Good. Upper body poised. Good. And 5 and 6. Now I want you to go a little faster. And right, left, push your hips, squeeze, squeeze, bump, bump, accent, accent, hit, hit, hip, hip, side to side. Good. Be careful of turning, no salsa, no merengue, completely side to side. Good. Bump it, nice. Give me 5 and 6. Now we're going to do doubles. And give me right, left, push, push. And really lean into it. Push that body weight over. Push it. Side to side. Arms are up for balance and posture. Keep going. Right, left. Push it and push it. Good. Now we're going to go for 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to add the arms. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Good. Lean into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 2 more times. Let's go. And bump, 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 bump. Hip, hip. 1 more round. Give me 5 and 6. Last time and release. Take a deep breath. Excellent. Good. So let's show you a quick exercise if you're having difficulty isolating the glutes. We're going to turn to the side. We're going to take 1 foot up on the ball and step back, separating our feet. Knees are bent, arms are poised in front, back foot on the ball, up on the toe in a high heel shoe. I want you to gently push and squeeze up and up. You're going to contract your glute independently from anything else. Good. Push up. So this is a nice exercise. In the beginning, it might be small. With time and practice, your contraction will go stronger and your movements will become bigger and more isolated. Good. Last 5 and 6. Now I want you to speed it up a little faster. And up, up, push. Push off the floor, contract. Good. And bump, 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 up, 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 and 5. Hang in there. 6. Last time, and release. Let's go to the other side. Switch it. Knees are bent, up on the ball, and starting up and up. Good. You're going to squeeze and contract. Squeeze. Sharp. And contract. And contract. Good. Keep it going. Last 5 and 6. And again, up to tempo. Let's go. Up, up, up. Good. Hang in there. Breathing. Up. Give me 5 and 6 and 7. Last time. And take a breather. Deep breath. Exhale. And release. This completes our accents, pops, and locks. Let's continue.